good, fantastic evening, everybody. Woo! Coach Red Razor here. Say hello. Beautiful evening. I hope you're all having a fantastic night. I really do. And I wanted to give another aspect as to why I'm a coach. Yes, I love it. I love being a coach, specifically for the people coming up to me and say, hey, thank you. Thank you for helping me. Hey, dude, that piece of advice had got me to where I needed to be. Hey, left and right. I love it. I love it. That's what I live for being a coach. But I also live for another thing, learning. Constant improvement of myself. Always learning to improve. Yes, I've improved my health and fitness just exponentially. Best shape of my life. Yes, sir. Ma'am. Shoot. I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. But how can I also improve? I improve my mind. You know, I'm registered for school, nutritional science. I'm wanting to improve my mind. You know, and me becoming a coach, it's done that for me. Never in a million years would I thought I'd be going to school for nutritional science. I thought I'd be going for metrology. You know, that was 2 years ago. Again, a lot changes. And again, I love learning. I always love learning. And it's learning about our products, you know, the creatine, the multi-different vitamins and minerals and supplements we have, you know, all the different things that Beachbody offers. But that doesn't also include new stuff like, you know, Sonny's number 7. It's not new. It's new to me. Number 9, number 7. Shoot, there's 19 different Sonny's. And these guys have been around since the 40s. All natural products. Hey, why not? Let's look into it. Let's try it. That's another thing I like to do. I like to hear what people like. I want to give it a try. I've tried many supplements. A few I wouldn't recommend. They have helped many other people get results that it's like, dude, wicked, good job. Awesome, that's you. I tried it didn't work for me. Thank you, though. You know, tomorrow, Pub HD by BPI. That's going to be my thing. I'm going to be trying that. It's a pre-workout drink. I have the Beachbody version, endurance and energy formula, rolling towards me right now. How can I compare this one if I don't have the other one to compare it to? So I have it coming towards me. It's another big reason why I like being a coach, showing all the different things from all the different companies to see what works for me so I can give a better idea of what will work for somebody else. How can I talk about something if I haven't tried it? And I'm doing all my best to try everything I possibly can. So I just wanted to give that little bit of insight as well. Again, a little bit of insight of me constantly learning about knowledge and improving, self-improvement, other products that are different than Beachbody, and Beachbody products themselves. So, I wanted to bid you guys adieu. You know, you guys have a fantastic evening. I hope this little insight was able to help you. And if it was, you want more information on all the different stuff I've tried, please give me a shout. radrazor@gmail.com, Coach Radrazor at beachbodycoach.com. Shoot me a message. I'm more than happy to help you out, give you insight of what I have tried and what I'm going to be trying in the future. You guys have a fantastic evening. You guys remember to dig deep so you can bring it to stay in the fight. Take it easy, y'all.